We will now be measuring the alkalinity of tap water. Make sure you still have your gloves and safety glasses on. Safety is really important. We're going to be using the R00007, 8, and 9 chemicals today. The R0008 is a bromocressyl green methyl red indicator, and the R0009 is sulfuric acid. And the experiment we're going to be doing today is titration, the adding of acid until a color change. The number of drops that we add is going to be used to determine the alkalinity. So you can see here, I just filled up the vial and rinsed it out a couple of times to make sure there's no contaminants in the vial. I then filled it up until the meniscus or bottom of the arch you see in the water is at the 25 milliliter mark. I'm now putting 2 drops of the R0007 in. I'll put 5 of the R0008 or the bromocressyl green methyl red indicator, and then swirl those around each time you add each of the chemicals. And then swirl it around again. And now I'll be adding 1 drop at a time of the R0009 or the sulfuric acid. I'll be doing this one at a time and swirling it around after each time until I see a color change from green to red. Make sure you don't spill any and just gently swirl the solution. The concentration of alkalinity is measured in milligrams per liter as calcium carbonate. I'm seeing a color change from green to red, so I'll stop the addition of the sulfuric acid after 4 drops. Here is what that looks like with flash and in a white background. And since I added 4 drops, I would multiply that by 10, and that would be the concentration in milligrams per liter as calcium carbonate. And now I'm just discarding that in my waste bucket.